And today, Colty and I have another toy. What do you think it is, Colty?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
We have a remote control dinosaur.
Yeah, it's another one.
How cool is that?
It's another one.
Yep, it's a dinosaur that makes sound and he's fully remote control. We're going to open him up and test him out just for you guys, right?
Yeah, let's open her up when she says roar.
Oh, you're right. This was sent to us to review for you guys, so we're going to check it out so you can see what you're going to get. All right. You ready? Oh. Look, you get a dinosaur book. It's an activity book with your dinosaur. Look, it has hide and seek and coloring.
Look, I found her.
You found it? All right, let's see. Oh, look, it's a remote control. Check out this.
Yeah, look, I found her. And then there's her tail right here.
Dude, look at this dinosaur.
Yeah, and then I found his tail.
This one is so cool. It's like copper and silver. And look, he's got a big mouth. And he's very realistic looking eyes. Look at his eyes.
And then I found her tail.
Oh no, the tail's missing. Do we need to put it on?
I found it.
All right, let's put it on. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Watch your fingers. I don't want it to... All right, so now we have the tail on. And check him out. Now, you do have to provide 2 AA batteries.
I think I see something on the back.
What? Is that a switch?
Yeah, from right when he says roar.
Yep. So you have to have 2 AA batteries for the controller, but the dinosaur comes with a charge cord. It is fully rechargeable. So how cool is that, right?
Look at her tail.
All right, ready? We're going to turn the dinosaur on. Don't push any buttons yet. Oh. Oh, look at it. Whoa. See if we can walk. Ooh. Whoa. This is so cool. What else? What does this button do? What? He's a dancing dinosaur. Oh, you can change the songs. Oh, and he makes dinosaur sounds. What's this button do? Look, look, he's in a demo mode. Okay, what we need to do is we're going to take this and we're going to go play with it in a little bit bigger area so you can see everything that this dinosaur does. You ready?
Yeah.
You want to go in the living room?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Come on. All right, so here we are in the living room, Colty.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's see what it does. Oh, he's walking backwards. Go the other way.
Go forwards. I'm bringing her right here.
Oh, look at it. Walks. Come back, dinosaur. Go get your dinosaur. Here. Put it right here in the middle. Let me see the controller. Can Daddy see it? Let me see.
There you go.
We're going to try the demo mode. Are you ready? There it is. Look, he's dancing on his own, Colty. Whoa, he fell over on the rug. So he'd probably be better on a hard floor. But here's your controller. Do you like it, Colty?
Uh-huh. Oopsie, I did it backwards.
So it gets a little shaky on carpet, but it's not really made for carpet. But you can use it on carpet if you want to. You just have to be careful turning it because you can steer it.
Yeah, you can do this.
Yep. So overall, a very cool little dinosaur. As you can see, Colty really loves it. So super cool. You can see he's got some pretty cool looking eyeballs, and he's green with the copper and the silver, and just a fun little toy. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Tell everybody bye.